Hi guys, Uncle Jesse here.
And Zia Honey here.
We just wanted to show y'all the progress on the house in the rice field.
Yep.
They're out there harvesting right now. And of course I wanted Zia to make an appearance, show y'all how pretty she is. Anyway, y'all enjoy the video, watch till the end. I kind of chopped it up. I'm still feeling poorly. And you feel okay, babe?
I feel okay.
Good. I still got a bit of a chest cold and head cold going on. And we're going to go to town today and get some meds. And y'all watch till the end. Hope you enjoy the video. Peace out, guys.
Out, guys.
Hi, guys. Uncle Jesse here. Let's check out the progress on the house, see what we're doing. It's a rainy mess here, and we got more coming. But, oh, it's coming along. Getting it all together. Pops and brothers working on it. Hopefully the sheet metal is coming tomorrow, they say. So, we'll just have to see. But in this weather, you never know what the day is going to bring. Anyway, I just stopped in to tell y'all we're doing great. We're not flooded. As you can see, we're still under construction. So, y'all be good to one another and have a good day. Yep, harvesting the rice. Got it going on. That's only a portion of it. That's a lot of rice. I just wanted to show y'all what they harvest the rice with, because somebody asked questions. How do they harvest that? Well, that's how they harvest it. They roll it up with the harvester, it bags it and cleans it and separates it, and there you go. Nothing but whole rice in the bag. Then they take it to the harvester and they mill it, and then you get white rice. Right now it's whole skin brown rice. Lunchtime. Hello. How are y'all doing? Lunchtime. Y'all have a good day. And there you go. That's how they harvest the rice. And they've got, well, we got so much growth going on around here, it's hard to see. They got half the field done. They'll be doing the rest of the field. And then later on, walking. Then later on, they'll be coming back and doing this, I'm pretty sure. I don't know why my phone's so damn blurry, acting stupid. They'll be doing this, and all of that will be harvested next. Because they planted this field to the left over here a week or so before they planted this field over here to the right. So, there's the rice harvest, and y'all watch the rest of the video and enjoy. There's more coming on the house. There you go, guys. That's how they harvest their rice. bagged, ready to go to the mill. Just that simple. And that piece of machinery is a couple tens of thousands of dollars right there. So, want to talk about us living in a hollow block house? Oh yeah, we do. And speaking of hollow block houses, hold on a minute. Here we go. Got the insulation up. And we got this far with it so far, with the metal on the roof. And they had to go back to work today, but they got all of the welding done. I see he's got some metal left over for railings and stuff for the stairs. And it's coming along pretty good. Then we'll get the electrical in. I think that's what they want to do. That's what I want to do. Get the electrical in, get the walls finished. Then we can move on to painting and tile. And then we'll be set. Windows and doors. Of course, we're going to put another layer of insulation up in the attic, up here on the top floor, because we're going to air condition it up here. And see, I have her a cozy little house. All right, guys, we got to finish painting that up. We got to get this insulation up here so it don't get wet, and finish painting this other roof, get it all white, reflect the sun really good, and we'll have it going on. So fellas, they're harvesting the rice. They got the farm hands out there helping with the harvester, and cousins running the harvester. But yeah, my family's pretty much self-sufficient. They don't depend on me. The only person that depends on me is my little wife. I take care of me and my little wife. Well, that's about it. And in the future, we'll show y'all us building apartments on the other property. So, hope everybody's doing good out there. I still got a bit of a chest cold. This COVID is pretty rough. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Peace out. Love one another. And y'all, please, quit talking shit about other people. Especially telling big fat lies. Good day.